Hello, good morning. How are you today? I hope you are feeling better. This is Teacher Marvin, your English teacher. So this morning, I hope everybody are doing good and I hope you are finished eating your breakfast and then later on, maybe just an hour, is your lunch time. But anyway, this morning is we are going to learn what subject? It's mathematics. Very good. So let's start with our lesson. And before that, let's do have a review. All right. So I have here. All right. So let's start with our lesson. Welcome to Primary 1, the English program. And our subject for today is mathematics. That's right. And our topic for today is what we call talking about the ordinal numbers, from cardinal numbers to ordinal numbers. All right, so what does it mean when we say ordinal numbers? So later on, you will know what does it mean when we say ordinal numbers. So these are an example for the ordinal numbers. And then we will going to discuss one by one how to write or read the numbers from 1 to 10 from cardinal to ordinal numbers. All right, so my objective for my lesson for today is for you to be able to know how to write the ordinal numbers from cardinal numbers. Again, my objective for today is for you to be able to know what is the ordinal numbers from cardinal numbers. Are you ready? Very good. Now, let's do have first a review. Okay, again, let's do have some review. So, the last meeting, you were able to know how to determine the number, to identify the smallest number, and also how to identify the greatest number from the given number. All right, say for example, we have here the number given, which are 1, 2, 6, 5, 7, 0, and 4. So let us identify the smallest number and the greatest number. In this given number, the smallest number is 0. Very good. And the greatest number is 7. That's right. So that is how we are going to identify the number, who is the smallest and who is the greatest number. And another one, in this given number, together with the objects, we have 3 balls, 4 balls, 5 balls, and 6 balls. And then let us identify the smallest number and the greatest number. In this given number, we have the smallest, and who is the smallest among the given number? And the smallest number is 3. And the greatest number is 6. That's right. And then another one. In this given number, we have 6 birds. For the letter B, only 3 birds. And for the letter C is 4 birds. And let us identify the smallest number and the greatest number. In the given number, the smallest number is 3. And the greatest number is 6. That's right. And then another one, in this given number, we have A, B, and C. For A, we have 8. For B, we have 4. And then for C, we have 0. And then let us identify the smallest number and the greatest number. All right, in this given number, the smallest number is 0. Very good. And the greatest number is 8. That's right. And then how about this one? We have 6 given number. We have 6, we have 7, we have 4, we have 3, we have 1, and then we have 9. And then let us identify the smallest and the greatest number. In this given number, what is the smallest number? Very good. It's 1. And in this given number, what is the greatest number? Very good. It's 9. There you go. And then we have another one. The given numbers are the following: 1, 6, 5, 0, 8, and 4. All right, so let us identify the smallest number and the greatest number. In this given number, the smallest number is 0. Very good. And the greatest number is 8. Very good. That's very easy. So that is how you are going to identify the smallest number and the greatest number. Now, this morning, we are going to discuss about how to read and write the numbers from cardinal to ordinal. All right? So we are going to discuss about how to write the ordinal numbers, how to identify or nor to read and write the cardinal numbers to ordinal numbers. Again, my objective for today is for you to be able to know how to identify or read the numbers from cardinal numbers to ordinal numbers. Okay, let's begin with our lesson. So, we have many numbers, but let us focus only for the number 1, we have number 2, we have number 3, we have 4, we have also 5, and of course, we have 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. Actually, there is also 10. So these are the numbers that we are going to learn today, how to read and write these numbers as being a cardinal into an ordinal numbers. All right, so are you ready? Very good. If you are ready, can you please give me 1 clap? 2 claps. 3 claps. 4 claps. Very good. Now, let's start with the number 1. So as you can see, there is a cardinal and there is an ordinal. So the cardinal is 1. All right. Can you remember what is the spelling, how to write the word 1? Okay, that is O-N-E. That is 1. So 1, the number 1, or the word 1, O-N-E, is what we call a cardinal numbers. So this is a cardinal numbers. But how we are going to write into an ordinal numbers? So let's begin. So we call it as first, or written as 1 and ST. So that is the ordinal number of 1. Okay, again, 1, the number 1 is a cardinal number, and then ordinal is first. Okay, next. How about number 2? Can you remember how we are going to spell the word two? All right, that is T, W, and O. Again, two, it's T, W, O. But how we are going to write into an ordinal number? So we are going to write into a word second. Everybody say second. That's right. And then we can also write into two and then ND. Everybody say second. Okay, let's go back to first. Everybody say first. First. That's right. And then we have here second. 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 That's right. And let us proceed to number 3. 3 is a cardinal number. And can you remember how we are going to write the word 3? That's right. We have T, H, R, and double E. So everybody say 3. But how we are going to write into an ordinal number? We are going to write into third. Third. Everybody say third. That's right. Next. Let us proceed to number 4. 4 is a cardinal number. And then, can you remember what is the word or write the word for in the word for? Okay, that is F-O-U-R. 4. And then, how we are going to write the cardinal numbers, which is 4, into an ordinal number? We write as fourth. Everybody say fourth. 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 We have sound of TH at the end of the word. Okay. Fourth. Okay. Very good. Next, we have number 5. How do you write the word 5? Can you remember? What is the spelling of the word 5? Very good. That is F-I-V-E. 5. But how we are going to write the number 5, which is cardinal, into an ordinal number? We call it as fifth. Fifth. Everybody say fifth. Fifth. Okay. Very good. Next, we have number 6. Can you remember how to read or write the word 6? Very good. That is S-I-X. 6. So let us write the number 6 into an ordinal number. We called it as sixth. Sixth. All right, so that is very easy. All right, let us proceed to number 7. Number 7 is a cardinal number. Again, 7 is a cardinal number. And then we can write 7 into the word what spelling? How do you write the word 7? Very good. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Everybody say 7. Anyway, I observe some of you can still pronounce as 7. 7 is correct into Thai. But you are studying English, you are an English program, you have to practice yourself to say and speak, pronounce correctly into English, which is 7. Everybody say 7. 7 is correct, but in English, it should be 7. Very good. Okay, so how we are going to write the 7th cardinal number into an ordinal number? We call it as 7th. 7th. Some people say 7th. Some people say, some speaker might say 7th. Okay? So let us proceed to number 8. Can you remember how we are going to read the word 8? How do we spell the word 8? Very good. That is E-I-G-T and H. So how we're going to write? That is 8th. 8. So that is the ordinal number of 8. Now, let us proceed to number 9. Can you remember how to write the word 9? Very good. That is N-I-N-E. 9. All right, how we're going to write into an ordinal number from the cardinal number, which is 9. Very good. We call it as 9th. Okay, everybody say 9th. So that is the ordinal number of 9. Okay, and the last one, we called it as number 10. Okay, how do we spell the word number 10? Very good. That is T-E-N. T-E-N. 10. So how we are going to write the cardinal number of 10 into ordinal number? We write as 10th. 10th. Everybody say 10th. So that's very easy. So we have here the cardinal numbers and the ordinal numbers. The cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then let us transpose into an ordinal number, which is from the start, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Okay, again, let us repeat after me. First, first. Next, number 2. Second, second. Very good. Number 3. Third, third. Number 4. Fourth, fourth. Number 5. Fifth, fifth. Number 6. Sixth, sixth. Number 7. Seventh, seventh. Number 8. Eighth, eighth. Number 9, ninth, ninth. And number 10, tenth, tenth. Okay, this time, you are the one to read. You are going to practice to speak. Okay? Teacher Marvin will going to listen. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's start number 1. Very good. First. Okay, how about number 2? Very good. Second. Okay, how about number 3? Very good. It's third. Okay, how about number 4? Very good. It's fourth. Okay, how about number 5? Very good. Fifth. Okay, how about number 6? Very good. Number 7. There you go. And number 8. And number 9. Okay, and the last one, but not the least, number 10. Very good. So let's have a recap. Let's start from number 1 to number 10. Okay, let us practice to read using the ordinal number. Number 1, first. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Again, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Clap our hands. All right. So before we are going to end with our lesson for today, let's have an activity. Okay? So Teacher Marvin will going to give you a number which is cardinal, and then you have to answer into an ordinal number. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Okay, the cardinal given number is number 2. What is the ordinal number of number 2? Very good. It's second. Next. The cardinal given number is 4. What is the ordinal number of 4? Very good. We called it as fourth. That's right. And then next. The cardinal given number is 8. Number 8. So what is the ordinal number of 8? Very good. We called it as 8th. Good job. Next, the cardinal given number is number 10. So what is the ordinal number of number 10? Very good. We called it as 10th. Next, the cardinal given number is 1. So what is the ordinal given number? What is the ordinal number of 1? Very good. It's first. Next, the cardinal given number is 3. What is the ordinal number of 3? Very good. It's third. Very good. And then, the cardinal given number is 7. What is the ordinal number of 7? That's right. We call it as 7th. All right, next. The cardinal given number is 5. What is the ordinal number of 5? Very good. We call it as 5th. Next, the cardinal given number is 6. What is the ordinal number of 6? Very good. We call it as 6th. That's right. It's very easy. So now I hope everyone learned a lot from our lesson this morning, and then I am so happy to see you here again. And then thank you so much for giving a time for our class, and of course to your mother and your father for giving you a chance to be here. All right, so on your workbook, what you are going to do is you are going to answer, I'm not sure on what page, but you are going to answer to write the number 1 to 10, which is ordinal and cardinal number. All right? So, are you happy? Very good. Okay, so that's all for today. I love you so much and I miss you so much. This is your English teacher, Teacher Marvin. Sawadee Krap, and bye-bye.